At One Stop Auto Care, we take good care of your car, and we're proud to say we're going green. We recycle all of our oils, tires, and any fluids we change in your car. Leaks are costly to the planet as well. It makes good dollars and cents to have your car worked on by professionals who are responsible to you and our planet.
Here at One Stop Auto Care, my dad is helping to save the environment. Right, Dad?